One of 3 men police say was involved in a grisly murder is free. News 13 has learned the district attorney dropped his murder charge. Here's Crystal Gutierrez.
And Jessica, James Gordon was 26 when police say he helped in the murder of Vincent Espinosa. For 3 years, he sat in jail facing a first-degree murder charge. Now the district attorney's office says it doesn't have a case.
Without his testimony, we have nothing.
District Attorney Carrie Brandenburg says 3 years ago, an informant told investigators brothers Elias Urioste and James Gordon, along with Jose Sullivan, were involved in the murder of 19-year-old Vincent Espinosa. Espinosa was found shot and badly burned in the Mesa in February 2007. The criminal complaint says the trio poured alcohol and gas down Espinosa's throat before setting him on fire. Urioste was convicted of manslaughter last August. The informant's testimony helped put him away. The district attorney's office says by December, the informant disappeared. Gordon's trial was next.
Trying to resolve those issues and trying to locate him, and we have been unable to do so, and thus is why we're at this point.
On Tuesday, the murder charges against Gordon were dropped. The victim's mother, Luis Espinosa.
James Gordon was the one who set up everything.
Luis says Gordon should have already been convicted. His trial date was scheduled before Urioste, so the informant would have been able to testify. However, in August 2009, jury selection was delayed by request of the defendant's attorney. In December 2009, trial delayed again because the case was reassigned to a new judge. In February 2010, the judge canceled the trial because of a full calendar. The last trial date for Gordon would have been in 2 weeks.
My son never got the chance to be a judge or an officer. He could have been. He was a very smart kid. The district attorney, well, they failed again.
And District Attorney Carrie Brandenburg says there is no other evidence that puts Gordon at the murder. Even if the informant is found, it would be a difficult conviction because he initially told police Gordon wasn't there. Luis says there are others who know what happened, but they're afraid to testify. Gordon walked out of jail on Wednesday. Jessica.
Okay, Crystal. Jose Sullivan will be the last of the trio to stand trial. Urioste is trying to appeal his conviction. A judge sentenced him to 40 years in prison on a manslaughter charge.